How to use American Express Mexico review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The American Express Mexico card is a powerful financial tool, but beginners often make costly mistakes by not understanding its full potential. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is ignoring the reward structure. Most people get this wrong by assuming all purchases earn the same points. The card actually offers higher rewards for dining, travel, and partner stores. Planning your spending strategically maximizes points accumulation. Second mistake, neglecting complimentary benefits. You won't believe how many users overlook perks like travel insurance, airport lounge access, and concierge services. These benefits can save hundreds in fees and improve your overall experience. Third mistake, carrying a balance. The surprising truth is that interest rates on American Express cards are high. Even small balances can quickly erode the value of your rewards. Always pay in full each month to stay on top of your finances. Fourth mistake, missing promotional offers. Beginners often don't check for welcome bonuses or limited time rewards campaigns. These promotions can offer significant extra points or discounts if used correctly. Finally, failing to track transactions is common. Monitoring spending helps you catch errors, identify fraudulent charges, and ensure you are maximizing benefits. American Express Mexico offers online and mobile tracking tools that make this easy. Using American Express Mexico properly means understanding rewards, using perks, paying in full, leveraging promotions, and tracking transactions. Avoid these mistakes to get the most from your card and enhance your financial experience.